what is the ultimate reality? Perhaps that is something to be searched for, because is there an ultimate reality? Question mark. There are many different answers to the same question. Which is the right one?
So this is why when Jan was talking, she was talking about how the ultimate reality has to be at this moment, because life is at this moment. So at this moment now, seeing is real. It's an ultimate reality. It arises, it falls away, but there is no one who sees, because Jan or Deirdre or Sarah are just ideas, figments of the imagination. At this moment now, seeing consciousness arise and sees what is visible. And as soon as there's the idea of flower or food or rotten apple or snake, it's thinking about something that has been seen or tasted. So it's not the seeing and it's not the visible object. So seeing is real, and the visible object that is seen is another ultimate reality. Thinking is real, but the idea that is thought about, the rotten apple, the snake, the story about this person or this thing, these are ideas, not the ultimate realities. And the reason that the Buddha taught, or we talk about ultimate realities and the truth now, is to show that there are just these two kinds of ultimate realities, those which experience an object like seeing or hearing or thinking, and those realities that don't experience anything, such as visible object or sound or taste. And apart from these realities, anything else, the rotten apple, the snake, the person, the table, the computer, are just figments of the imagination, concepts, ideas. And many people will ask, what is the point of talking so much about seeing an ultimate reality now? And the point is to show that there is no thing, there is no person. We live in a fantasy world of people who are in control of life, who do this and that, and who look at flowers and eat rotten apples. But in truth, there's no one who tastes, nothing that is tasted. They're just moments of seeing, moments of tasting, moments of thinking, which arise and fall away. Ajahn used the word citta. Citta means a moment of consciousness. I think we've discussed it together with you before. So life consists of one moment of consciousness following another, each one arising and falling away instantly. So at a moment of seeing, there is no hearing, there's no thinking. The world is just the moment of seeing. At a moment of hearing, the hearing hears sound. Nothing else is experienced. There's no taste, there's no apple, there's no snake, just sound that's heard. But immediately afterwards, there's thinking about the color, the impression, which is what Nina was asking about, the shape, the form, and then the idea of apple, rotten apple, and so on. So talking about seeing, talking about the visible object that is seen, is to show that this is actually life. No person there, no thing there, like no core in the plant and tree at all, just layers which are removed to show it's empty of a thing or a being or a self. So the ultimate realities are those moments of experiencing, like the different moments of seeing and hearing, and the mental factors like attachment or aversion or kindness, and those realities which are experienced like the visible object or the sound. And that's it. That is life at this moment, one moment of experiencing after another, just to show that there is no one there, no one who can control, no one who can stop clinging to pleasant visible objects or flowers or anything else. So the point is not to change the life or to stop clinging or to not having any attachment, but just to understand a little bit more what life is at this very moment.